So, did you enjoy the meal? Yes, I did, thank you very much. Oh, I'm glad you enjoyed that. Hello? Oh, hello, waiter. Have you enjoyed the meal? Yes, thank you very much. Myself and my girlfriend, just out of shot, we have enjoyed the meal, haven't we? Yes, we have. So, can I get you anything else? No, just get us the bill. Okie dokie. So, after that, we can probably go home and... Hello? The Scottish Falsetto Sock Puppet Theatre. Minging Detectives. Coming your way. You don't have to do the fadoon. We can get sound effects for that. Hi, we're the Scottish Falsetto Sock Puppet Theatre, and so am I and Swissy. If you subscribe to our videos here on our YouTube channel, then you'll get the exclusives on all the new stuff that we do, and you can also look at all of our old stuff, as can anybody. But subscribe, because we want you to subscribe. And by the way, if you're watching this on a big screen or on an iPad, stop tapping the screen. It won't work. It doesn't help if you tap the screen. Just go to the website, yes. But do please subscribe. Are we supposed to beg at the end of every video? We're now going to beg at every video end. That's what the kids do.